안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to express time and date in Korean. There are two number systems in Korea. First, Chinese-oriented Sino number systems. Second, native Korean number systems. For time and date, the rule of thumb is to use Sino numbers. Exception, of course, there's one exception. That's 시, the hour. Time in Korean, 시간. Date in Korean, 날짜. 시간 ends with 니은 받침, so we use 과. If there's no 받침, we use 와. Time and date, 시간과 날짜. But I want to mention Koreans prefer to put bigger number in front. So the most natural way to express time and date will be 날짜와 시간. 날짜와 시간. That's Korean way of expressing this. But you know what? 시간과 날짜, 날짜와 시간, both are okay. Date, 날짜. In English, we say March 3rd, 2021. In Korean, we say year, month, day. 2021년 3월 3일. We just read the whole four-digit number for the year 2021년. Now let's look at all those units to express time and date from left to right. Year, 년. Month, 월. Day, 일. Hour, 시. We use a clock instead of hour, right, in English. So please remember that and pay attention to that part. Then maybe it will help you to remember to use different number systems for a clock. Minute, 분. Second, 초. Let's look at Sino numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you apply these numbers to each unit, please note 6월 becomes 유월, 10월 becomes 시월 for the month. To express two-digit number in Sino number system, we put number 10, 10, first, then add from number 1 through 9. Pretty steady pattern here. 11, 11. Notice that 이응, empty 이응 there. 비읍 받침 sound floats into that 이응 place, and we say 11, 11. Same manner, 12 sounds like 12, 13, 14. Here comes the 이응 too, right? Also, 15. In this case, that 받침 changes to 미음 sound. 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn native Korean number system. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Again, native Korean number system is added to 시. please note the top four expressions are a little bit adjusted in front of the counting word 시. 1시, 2시, 3시, 4시, 5시, 6시, 7시, 8시, 9시, 10시. Please note from number 5 to number 10, she sounds as if 더블시옷 시. It has to do with the 받침. The previous 받침 affects the sound following. And before I end this video, I want to point out, long time ago, most of Korean people worked as farmers, and only a handful of people had luxury to sit down and look at the books and study Chinese characters, right? So most of Korean people, they used native Korean words to count things in daily uh, situation. So when you count something, remember to use native Korean word. And one more thing, if you look at the purple writing 한두 세네, in English, to express a few uncertain but only a few things, we think it as two or three, right? A few. That's how I learned when I first learned English. In Korean, you can express this way. 한두 means one or two. 두세 means two or three. 세네 means three or four. Sometimes you can even say 한두 세네. If you're not so sure whether one or two or three or four, you can say 한두 세네. Interesting, right? Very convenient. So good to remember. 한, 두, 세, 네. Those are used in front of any counting word. For example, I'll tell you the example. 사람, right? 한 사람, 두 사람, 세 사람, 네 사람. See how we use Korean expressions to count. I want to practice one more thing. 개. 개 is counting word, the most popular counting word. When you count something, thing. When you count something, it, not specified any object, you use 개 as a counting word. Let's practice saying the same manner. 한 개, 두 개, 세 개, 네 개. What it means is one thing, two things, three things, four things. Have fun. Happy learning. Bye bye.